Okay, we're back, and the order arrived already. This one, and we have to unbox it. Wait a second. So we have to unbox this one. Oh, look at that. The user guide is here. We have a user guide here for, wait a second. This is models, user guide models for C3010 and C3010D. So our alarm is C3010. But as I read it like a few minutes ago, it's not really, you cannot really find how to activate it. So this is the alarm here. So right here, oh, so this one is the mount. So we have this on the wall, on the ceiling already. So we just use the old one because this is exactly the same as we used before. So we don't need this to install it. We just use the old one, and the old one is still in the ceiling. So right here, C3010, date of manufacturing is 2023 9/22. So September 22, 2023. So right here on the side it says replaced by. So it's really important to put a date here. I'm gonna put a date here. Today is the month of April, so April 4, the year is 2025. So right here, so in this way, whoever, you know, after 10 years, whoever used the house or the new owner of the house, so whenever this will be expired again, they know how, or whatever instances, they know when was this installed. So this one is not activated yet. So our purpose here, our goal here is to how to activate this one. And I read this, but eventually I figured it out how to activate this. Remember, we have the old one. See, this is the old one, 2014. This is off already. I turned it off. So when I see here, there's you can see the switch. Wait a second. I use the flashlight. So you can see it here. The switch right here. And there's an arrow that goes up. See that? Goes up. All you have to do is try to, there's an instruction here to disable the unit for disposal. Insert a screwdriver into the slot and slide the switch towards the top of the unit. So this thing is actually, this is made in China. This one is really, the instruction is really confusing, because to disable the unit for disposal, insert the screw. So it doesn't say here to activate the unit, to turn it on, how to turn it on, because right now it's off. Remember, this one I fry out just to turn off the switch. So I figured it out that what you're gonna do, you can see the switch here. Yeah, they are similar. Right here, this is the old one, and there's a switch here. To turn it on, I use a knife or a screwdriver. Make sure it fits, but it doesn't fit to the slot. I just use this knife. To turn it on, you have to, like this. I fried it out. You have to do twice, because in the middle is a continued beeping. So this is off, right? To turn it on, I have to push it up like this. Okay. Right there is on. So this is on. This is remember, 2023. So it's on right now. I read one of the instruction here that you have to press the switch button, test and reset button right here. Right here, it's the reset button. I have to test it. Let's see. Okay, it's beeping. See, there's a light. All right. This is operate. So that's the reset button. So right now it's on. This is on. This is ready to put back on the original location. So this on, and I do it with the other unit. I'll get you back later.